Guys, ano na, sa Monday
You're my
na.
favorite song.
Guys, sa Monday na.
Kailan?
Guys, napanood nyo na ba yung mga trailer, yung mga teaser?
Oo.
Sa GMA
Ano
Public
mga reaction
Affairs.
nyo? Guys, kinilig ba kayo? Nainis ba kayo? Natuwa ba kayo?
Sa GMA,
Mag-edit lang kayo ng mag-edit, guys.
pero stream sa GMA Public Affairs.
Ang cute
GMA Public Affairs
Super
na.
cute.
Pinapanood
Na
namin
pages.
lahat, guys. Thank you so
GMA
much.
Public Affairs.
Sabayan nyo
Pages.
kami panoorin live ang You're My Favorite Song on Monday.
4 p.m.
4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Monday to Friday.
GMA Afternoon Pride.
Yes.
Sa Public Affairs lang manood.
Uy, thank you sa Ben.
Panood sila yung
And for
trailer.
more
Uy, ayoko
updates,
isingin.
please follow nyo yung IG
Sa'yo
account
ba yan?
ng You're My Favorite
Kaya
Song.
ito guys.
Hala, sa Ate Shelly yun.
Sorry. Kanina hype ka nga eh. Hello po. Okay, guys, manood kayo.
Countdown tayo, countdown.
Countdown, yung 6% kumukubos na.
Oh, actors in.
Ay, actors in na.
Actors in.
This is Rabia signing off.
Last paalala.
Guys, sabay-sabay.
My faves. 3, 2, 1. You're my favorite song. This June 22. 4 p.m. Afternoon Pride. Let's go.
Bye! Wake up!
Wake up! Wake up,
Bye! Bye, Faye!
Bye, Faves.
Hindi ko siya